Hello students, we'll be studying decaying windows. In this topic, we'll understand how decaying windows are useful for calculating the elements from the string. Decaying window is useful in application which need identification of most common elements. Decaying window concepts assign more weight to the recent elements than the past elements. The technique computes smooth aggregation of all the ones ever seen in the string with the decaying weights. So weight will be reducing. When element further appears in the string, less weight is given than the new type of element or distinct element. The effect of exponentially decaying weight is to spread out the weights of the stream element as far back in the time as stream flows. This is the graph of decaying windows, and this equation helps to calculate the sum of over all weights. So how it is doing? On the left, on this left side, it will consider the less weights, and it consider only this much portion. So on the left side, the window is decaying because we are giving only less weightage to that part, whereas the recent window where we are giving the more weightage. What are different applications where the decaying window is popular? Example, currently most popular movies. So we will be finding the which movie is popular in last 1 year or last week. You will listen the example from the news. In a box office in last week, this movie is famous. Trend on Twitter in last 10 hours. News flashing on news channel. Any post sharing on social network. Most viral video. Most viral photograph in last 10 hours or last in 1 day. These all are the examples where we are using the decaying window concepts. Thank you.